Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, traders. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, the day after elections in the U.S. So before I go on, let me post this disclaimer as usual, right? So, anyways, any comments made during this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. It should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. Any like I said, this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade, the legacy strategy that I teach my students, and also, and that's about it. Any past performance of legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. Again, I must emphasize that I am not a professional or licensed trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else. And again, once again, this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I do not provide any trading signals. Just want to make everyone aware of that. So let's look at what happened during the market here. So this is the current market right here. This green, that's where we are right now. During the overnight market, you can see how wild it was, wild swings. In fact, the volatility was so big, but in spite of that, I was able to make $1,600 overnight, two trades. That's it. So I'm pretty much done for the day. I'll trade maybe one. I'll be trading one contract, and my goal is just to make one win, and that's about it. So, anyways, here we are. We are now definitely. We were on a downtrend. Now we are definitely on an uptrend. Surpassed the high mark of this one. Uh, just maybe the overnight session was this one, basically this point right there. We retraced back down. Now we're up here now. We hit that um, extension for the Fibonacci, so I can get rid of this. Let me see here. So what I'm trying to do now here is extend the next wave since it hit it. So now there's another goal here. So I'm looking at this to retrace down here again and then eventually get back up to there. That's We'll see what happens to the results. It's not told. We don't even have the results of the election yet. So, anyways, this is going up, and I think there's been reports that Trump has officially won, but there's some discrepancies going on. But I'm not going to get into that. I'm not into politics and all that. So I'm just seeing what's going on. But as you can see, the market has been going up and up and up. So we're looking at this. So obviously, we're going to be looking for a what a buy a long trend or a buy entry. Let me see here. Let's look at the micro, or let's say the zoomed in view. So if I'm looking at this, what is this RTH? Okay, trying to determine where our okay. There's the first one. Here we are. So here's the RTH or the intraday VWAP, and this is the opening, the whole day, should I say? The ETH, electronic trading hour VWAP, and this is the RTH, the regular trading hours, which is the New York Open or intraday. Okay, so the price is above both of them significantly, so we are definitely going up. So I drew out a Fibonacci here. We're hitting the pullback zone right now. Uh, let's see if we have any confluence going on here. First of all, let me set up my trades. Again, I'm doing to do just one contract. Okay, so basically my goal is maybe anywhere from one to 300. That's what my goal is. Just to get a win. just say I traded the morning session here. Let me see here. So we're looking right now where we are trying to. It looks like it's pulling back to the VWAP. So we are looking at some shorts here maybe, but we shall see. So let's see if we can have some confluence here. Okay, so we hit that on the way down. So right there. So that's where we're at right now. So that's probably hit this area right here. So see what happens here. Again, I'm trading one contract, and I will put this on mute.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
So I think I pretty much broke even in that one. So see, 1600 still, but I lost some commission on that, so that's fine. Since it looks like we're going back up here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
Yeah, I don't think I had a chance to move that. Moved pretty fast. So made 250. I'm pretty much done. I don't want to be risking. That was pretty fast move. So again, we have some erratic movements going on here. In fact, that was actually pretty good. Just moved too fast. I was trying to move it up to maybe up to here. Just moved too fast. So, anyways, let's see here. I got my go. It's going to show me wow, trade right here. So And this is weird. This is external. Okay, so this is external, which was in my other laptop. So I mean that's 2 trades. So the morning session, as you can see here, I started at 10:44. Not even 10 minutes, made 250, and that's again, if we're looking in here, that's another 250 less. In fact, no, that's because we're doing the morning session, right? So it's going to be less than 250. Started at 162.50. Yeah, 250 because it's basically even the first note. Okay, good. Yeah, 250. And now we're talking about in terms of commission, we're looking at maybe 3.98 times 3. How many trades? Yeah, 3 trades equals that. So minus 250, you're at 238.06. So met my goal. My goal is at least between 100 to 300 because I'm being conservative. I don't want to give everything in the back. Again, during the overnight session, I made 1,600, as you can see here, and I don't want to give anything of that back, and I don't want to risk anything of that back. So I just made another 250, which is fine with me. And you can see this is going up. So with that, I will end it. Don't want to risk anymore, and I'm not trying to be greedy. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and hopefully, I put your prayers up. Whoever, I'm not going to be political, but may may God's will be done here on earth. That's all I just pray for. Okay. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and God bless. Take care. Bye bye.